Hey y'all, Andy with 5 Call Survival Supply here. I've got something today that I think a lot of you won't have seen. This is something that came to me from Mike Perrin at ESEE Knives. It's a prototype, so it's something that they're just working on right now. I'm not sure if they have plans for this to become an official product or not, but it's a really neat thing that he's been working on. This is probably not the final version, and I don't even know, if they did introduce it, if it would be a standalone product or if it would be a series of products, and you'll see what I mean in just a minute. But it's got a lot of neat features. I thought you guys would be interested to see it. Mike said it was okay to take pictures, and a video is just a series of individual pictures, so I thought I'd go ahead and make a video, just because there's a lot going on here. It's much better than 30 or 40 different photographs and captions. So here we go, let's have a look. Outside we've got our PALS grid here, we've got a retention strap here, which can also be used as a compression strap, and also can be used, of course, to add additional gear to the pack. We've got our shoulder strap here. This is a really nice standalone shoulder strap, by the way. I kind of wish that they would make this a product in and of itself. Just a nice padded shoulder strap. Slides, of course, adjustable. Has a nice grippy, no slip underside to it. Snap link closures and attachments here. Just a really great, basic shoulder strap that I think a lot of us probably have a piece of gear we'd love to have that for. On the back side, we've got actually some more PALS grid, and really what's really neat about this piece here, this is actually an adapter panel. It's Velcro's in place. It's got the loop face here, the hook face here, and that means you can convert any hook face panel like this into a PALS grid, just like so. And in the process, you can also use this. See, we've got our straps here, so you can attach this. You can use this to attach this larger bag or a similar piece of gear with a hook face. We can use this to attach that to a bigger PALS grid on another piece of gear. So really neat little adapter panel there. We've got the strap here, totally removable. Made in USA. That's one of my favorite pieces on any piece of gear. Here's our nice big YKK zippers with nylon zipper pulls. Zip this guy up. It's kind of like a tactical lunchbox almost. Let's see what we got inside. So we got a few different things. Obviously we got some removable pieces here. We'll look at this guy first. You can actually, if we wanted to, take this guy right here, stick that right on the outside. It's got its own drag handle, so this could be a standalone piece of gear here. We'll just go ahead and fold that under, stick it in place. Now we've got a big expansion of our carrying capacity. Got a little sleeve style pocket here. Got a zip pocket here with a mesh top. Nice depth. So that's a really nice addition. Going back in, we've got our hook panel here. We've got another piece here. So this is actually 3 different pieces, believe it or not. 4 different pieces, I should say. So here we've got our elastic retention straps. Nice little panel here. These are pretty tight. This one's a little bit looser with a little extra space there. Stick that right there for the moment. Then we've got this pocket piece here. It's got sleeve style pocket like that. Hook face there, hook face here. And then it also has this flap with a loop on both sides up there. And I'm sure that they have a very special purpose in mind for this. I think it's a great, just general purpose pocket, but I'm kind of curious what else you might use this for. So there's that piece. We'll stick him out of the way over there. Got a little staple still in here. Pull that guy out. Here we have another pocket with a loop face here. Sleeve style pocket there, sleeve style pocket there, another deeper full depth pocket there. On the back side, we've got another loop face, But what's really cool here is this little guy. This is a hook-to-hook adapter. So I could take this guy right here, stick it on that piece, and then if I had another piece with a loop face like this right here, I can go ahead and stick that right on there, just like that. See, we've got basically loop to loop using this little hook adapter. So that's that pocket, that's that adapter. Here's this pocket that I just pulled. This is an organizer panel. It's got a sleeve style full depth pocket there. We've got more elastic retention loops here. These are pretty tight. These down here are a little looser, so we've got a lot of different capability there. We've also got this interesting little guy right here. Get off there. So what this is, say I've got this piece right here. I want to attach it to a PALS grid. Boop. That goes right on there like that. Thread it through your webbing, snap it in place, and voila, this piece has just become MOLLE compatible. So, and this piece again has a drag style handle on there. We've got more hook panels here, and actually over here inside this pocket, the last thing I didn't show you, we've got this loop to loop adapter panel. So that's really cool as well. It's the complement to the hook to hook adapter down there. So that's our kit. Here's the attachments for the shoulder straps. And so that's the bag. I think Mike, in designing this, has this in mind as a survival kit bag, go bag type thing. When I was there at the farm, ESEE's farm, for wilderness first responder training, he had one of these set up as a really comprehensive first aid kit, so that was really neat to see. You could use it as a range bag, you could use it as a get home bag in your vehicle. Lots of different potential here for this bag. Like I said, it's a prototype. I'm not sure where they are in the overall development of this bag, of this concept at this point, but really neat to see. Thanks to Mike for sending it to us, and I hope you've enjoyed this video.